This is Casey Classic Cars with a brief walk around of the trunk area of this beautiful 24,000 mile 1972 Pontiac Catalina. If you're interested in this car, please see the other videos that I've made of it and call us at 913-461-4890. Okay, so you can see how nicely the inner lip area is. It's not even had the black, flat black trim paint worn off around the taillight lenses in 52 years. That's pretty amazing. Look at how clear the original stampings are of the sheet metal, and you know, the original seam sealer there. How nice the paint is inside the trunk extensions here. There is absolutely no rust on this car in any capacity whatsoever. I mean, the original Goodyear polyglass tire is still in there. The jack is in there. The original jack storage sticker is still very readable and clean. You know, there is a little bit of wear along here, but that's expected after 52 years. Rubber parts aren't supposed to last that long. The original spatter paint all still visible. You do have just a tiny bit of just surface. This is just surface. You can see it just powders off. It's just from having a little bit of moisture under here at one time or another. But there is nothing in terms of rust through, rust holes, any of that type of thing. Original matte still in fabulous condition. See, the quarter panels are all original, not patched, not messed with, nothing. Okay, that's the trunk area.